BinCred is a purpose-built behavioural change platform designed to help councils and communities reduce waste contamination, not by building more infrastructure, but by transforming how people engage with waste disposal systems already in place. We combine digital tools, behavioural science, and real-time feedback to drive measurable environmental outcomes. Over 6 months, we'll deliver a minimum viable product to one New South Wales council, reaching over 1,000 households and businesses. What sets BinCred apart is how we deliver, and we are very excited to share our execution roadmap with you.
The BinCred project tackles a major gap in Australia's waste sector, behavioural accountability. Despite infrastructure upgrades, contamination rates remain high and councils often lack visibility into who's doing the right thing and where support is needed. Our goal is to use existing systems like RFIDs and weighbridges to generate behavioural insights, deliver actionable data and support circular economy outcomes. To achieve this, we're delivering a mobile minimum viable product application, a council-facing dashboard, a real-time scoring engine, a pilot involving 1,000 users, and a full evaluation report, plus artifacts like our Gantt, risk matrix, and stakeholder plan. The scope includes platform build, co-design, and pilot rollout. Out of scope, hardware rollout, full market deployment, or ongoing support beyond the pilot. This structure supports a focused and achievable delivery while setting up the foundation for future scale and long-term impact. This slide shows our work breakdown structure, or WBS, dividing the project into 6 key phases, all aligned with our agile delivery model. We start with project management and governance, where roles, sprint rhythms, and risk controls are established, along with reporting aligned to stage gate reviews. Next is discovery and co-design, driven by design thinking, where stakeholders help define requirements, which feeds directly into our prioritized agile backlog. Platform development follows, with sprint cycles used to build and refine key features like the scoring engine, dashboards, and security protocols. Pilot preparation runs in parallel with this, recruiting users, testing incentives, and integrating live council data streams. In pilot execution, the platform goes live. We monitor usage, gather feedback, and iterate through sprint reviews. Finally, end evaluation and finalization focuses on analyzing outcomes, preparing the evaluation report, and shaping the roadmap for future scale. This structure embeds agile throughout, supporting continuous improvement and adaptive delivery. This slide outlines the key milestones and critical paths supporting BinCred's 6-month delivery schedule. We start in week 1 with kickoff and governance setup, establishing team roles, delivery structure, and stage gate alignment. By week 4, co-design and sprint planning are complete, with prioritized agile backlog informed by stakeholder input. In week 8, we release the MVP, enabling internal testing of the scoring engine and dashboards. The platform goes live in week 14 with 1,000 users onboarded. A mid-pilot review then occurs in week 17, allowing for feedback-based iteration. We wrap up in week 20 with final refinements and conclude in week 24 with the evaluation report and scale-up plan. The critical path, including API development, user acceptance testing, and data integration, follows finish-to-start logic with no float. This milestone structure reflects best practice agile delivery, adaptive, sprint-driven, and backed by structured governance to keep the project funder-aligned and scalable.
The BinCred team consists of a project manager who will oversee the project, a product owner who will prioritize backlog and address any scope-related concerns, a UX/UI designer to develop a digital interface, a technical lead who will oversee the software build and testing, and an engagement lead who will manage the pilot delivery, incentive alignment, and stakeholder communication. Our budget totals $350,000, designed to deliver a functional MVP, run a live council pilot, and complete a full evaluation cycle. Our highest cost category is human resources, currently at 44%. The costing and salaries for our cross-functional team aligns with the lean methodology and agile principles. The highest single investment is in agile iteration and retesting at $95,000, followed by the MVP build at $85,000. These funds ensure that we can respond to feedback, improve usability, and build user trust. Outside of salaries, the remaining costs include $20,000 for security and privacy compliance, $25,000 for pilot delivery and community incentives, $15,000 for engagement campaigns and workshops, and a lean $6,000 contingency buffer for emergent risk.
Hi, my name is Mustafa. I'll be talking about risk management. BinCred operates in a complex space where digital systems meet public trust, behavioral change, and console data sharing. Managing risk is a key to keeping the project on track and building stakeholder confidence. We assess risk across 6 areas: technical, project delivery, stakeholders, legal and compliance, financial, and behavioral. This structure followed PMI and New South Wales public sector standards, giving our plan both structure and credibility. The top 3 risks we identify are cancel data delays or access issues. To reduce risk, we are setting up a clear governance early and formalizing access through memorandums of understanding. Low engagement from users. This behavioral risk is being assessed through fun, game-filled features, school-based rollout programs, and community reward partnerships to drive interest and long-term participation. Technical instability after MVP launch. We are planning phase testing, ongoing user feedback, and fast response bug fixes to manage this. Each risk has a assigned owner to monitor progress, and we have built a review checkpoint into our timeline. This helps us stay responsive, transparent, and ready to adjust if anything changes. The risk strategy supports an adaptive project management approach and help us to deliver a solution that both reliable and trusted by user and stakeholders.
Stakeholder alignment is paramount to BinCred's success, both internally and externally. Internally, our team comprises a lean cross-functional structure, including a project manager, product owner, tech lead, UX designer, and engagement lead, each assigned to a distinct delivery domain with shared accountability. These roles are instrumental in driving sprint outcomes, platform design, and pilot execution. Externally, our key stakeholders encompass councils that provide bin data and outreach, residents and businesses as pilot users, and regulators such as the New South Wales EPA, ensuring compliance with digital transparency and data protection laws. Additionally, we consider future partners, including sustainability startups who may emerge post-pilot. Our stakeholder analysis categorises these groups based on influence and interest. For instance, councils and the project sponsor hold high influence and high interest, while future commercial partners currently have low influence but may gain post-significant evaluation. Our engagement and communication plan aligns with the analysis. Early phase co-design sessions and onboarding foster trust. During the sprint phase, we provide regular updates and share usage metrics. Privacy governance encompasses formal personal information protection agreements, PIAs, and regulator reviews. Following the pilot phase, we will conduct roadmap sessions with scale-up partners. This strategy ensures that we not only meet delivery targets, but also establish long-term alignment and legitimacy, particularly crucial when collaborating with public data and behavioural change initiatives. For BinCred, we've selected a purpose-built hybrid delivery methodology that strategically blends design thinking, agile and stage gate governance, each applied to a specific project phase. Design thinking was applied during the discovery phase. This allowed us to co-design platform requirements with councils, residents, and business stakeholders. It ensures our feature set was grounded in community values, like privacy, data control, and ease of use, rather than technical assumptions. For platform development, we moved to an agile approach. This includes sprint planning, backlog refinement, and iterative testing. It allows the team to rapidly prototype features like the scoring engine and incentive logic, then refine them in real time based on pilot feedback. This responsiveness is crucial given the behavioural nature of our platform. Finally, we embedded stage gates aligned with the New South Wales Treasury's Gateway Review Framework. These are decision checkpoints built into our schedule at MVP readiness, pilot launch, and final evaluation. This layer of structured governance allows stakeholders to track progress, manage risk, and make go, no-go decisions based on evidence. By sequencing these 3 methods, rather than applying them simultaneously, we retain innovation and user-centered design without losing rigor. As recommended by PMI 2021 and Newell 2017, this hybrid model balances agility with accountability, which is essential when delivering innovation in a public sector context. BinCred isn't just another civic tech tool. It's a behaviour-first solution designed for the real-world messiness of public service innovation. Its success depends on more than just software deployment. It's about shifting household habits, streamlining council engagement, and aligning with regulatory priorities. What makes this product stand out is its commitment to blending adaptability with accountability. The delivery model supports rapid testing, but it's also rooted in strong governance, clear stakeholder roles, and milestone-based risk checks. This plan isn't just a delivery checklist, it's a replicable framework. BinCred shows how you can lead digital transformation in public services without losing sight of transparency, sustainability, or trust.
Thank you, and we hope to hear from you soon.